Everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic that is your signed binary arithmetic and the addition subtraction logic unit. In the last video, we discussed how a number is represent an integer or a real number is represent in your computer system. So basically, we use 2s complement method to represent our signed integer in computer. Okay. So here we discuss how to sign number is added or subtracted in your computer system. Okay, so let us start our discussion. So signed binary arithmetic. Okay, the basic arithmetic operation are addition and subtraction which can be performed on any two signed binary number using 2s complement method. That means our whether the we have to find the value of plus or minus, addition or subtraction, we perform it by using 2s complement method. Okay, so addition of two signed binary number, how a two signed binary number are added in our computer system. Okay, so consider the two signed binary number a and b which is represented in 2s complement form. We can perform addition of these two number which is similar to the addition of two unsigned binary number, but if the resultant sum contains carry out from sign bit, then discard or ignore it. Okay, आफ्टर योर साइन बिट, ओके, जो साइन बिट गिवन होगा उसको छोड़ के भी अगर हमारे पास कोई कैरी जनरेट हो रहा है तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे, डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे. द रिजल्टेड सम इज पॉजिटिव, you can find the magnitude of its directly. Okay, so the resulted sum is positive and you can find the magnitude, but if the resulted sum is negative then take 2s complement of it in order to get the magnitude. अगर resulted sum हमारा negative होगा then we take the 2s complement. Okay, so that is the basic difference between your what in your signed and unsigned. Okay, so in your signed you always take the extra bit जो कि हमने लास्ट क्लास में भी ये वाला डिस्कस किया था. ठीक है, सो हियर आई एम टेकिंग सम एग्जांपल टू मोर clarify the concept. Okay, so let us perform the addition of two decimal number, that is plus 7 and plus 4 using 2s complement method. Okay, so what is the 2s complement of plus 7? So this is 0 0 1 1, that means I am here taking 0, that means this is my sign magnitude. Okay, so it represent the sign, that means 0, that is in MSB that means it is positive sign, 0 in MSB that means positive sign. देखो यहाँ पे प्लस 7 प्लस 4 दो 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, लेकिन क्योंकि ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है इसलिए ये जो है दिस इज माई 7 वैल्यू, दिस इज माई 4 वैल्यू. ओके, सो this is the 2s complement of plus 7 and plus 4. So when we add these two number we get 0 1 0 1 1. So here 7 plus 4 is 11, so I am getting here 1 0 1 1. So this represent my sign. Okay, 0 means it is a positive, so 7 plus 4 is 11 which is a positive number. Okay, the resultant sum contains 5 bits, so there is no carry out from the sign bit. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी carry हमारा generate नहीं हो रहा है. The sign bit 0 indicates that the resultant sum is positive, so the magnitude of sum is 11 11 in decimal number system. So this is my 11. So this represent which value? This is the 11 value. Okay, therefore addition of two positive number will give the another positive number. जब भी हम दो पॉजिटिव नंबर को ऐड करते हैं तो ये और एक पॉजिटिव नंबर जनरेट करता है. ठीक है, सो वी आर यूजिंग 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू. ओके, बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग द साइन इंटीजर. यहाँ पे हम साइन, तो हेडिंग भी गिवन है कि साइन बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक, तो यहाँ पे हम साइन लेंगे. अगर ऑनसाइन होगा तो यू टेक द सेम हम एक्स्ट्रा बिट नहीं लेंगे. अगर साइन में होगा तो वी टेक द एक्स्ट्रा बिट फॉर विच रिप्रेजेंट योर साइन मैग्नीट्यूड. ओके, so let us take another example. So here I am taking minus 7 minus 4. Okay, so the result will be minus 11. So minus 7, here I am taking minus 7 का 2s complement क्या होगा, 1 1 0 0 1. से 1 represent it is a negative number. minus 4 का 2s complement क्या होगा, 1 1 0 0. So here I am representing it by using 5 bit. So you can also take 8 bit also. So 8 bit लेने से क्या होगा, एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 है, 6 7 8 एक्स्ट्रा आपको 3 1 वहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में ऐड करना है. यहाँ पे भी आप एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन जो आउटपुट होगा ये आपका सेम आएगा. ठीक है, सो इससे कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा. सो व्हेन वी ऐड दिस टू नंबर इट विल गिव यू what 110101. that means here the resultant is my 6 bit. so यहाँ पे हमने लिया है 5 bit. this is my 5 bit. the result is my 6 bit. so in this case the resultant sum contains 6 bit. in this case carry is obtained from the sign bit, so we can remove it. so the carry is obtained from the sign bit, that means you can remove it. okay, the resultant sum after removing carry is 10101. तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कब आपको रिमूव करना है, कब नहीं करना है. ठीक है. सो यू टेक द बाइनरी. यहाँ पे हम बाइनरी को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो बाइनरी में एक्स्ट्रा एक बिट रहता है. ठीक है. सो 11 रिप्रेजेंट 1010. सो एक्स्ट्रा बिट फॉर योर साइन बिट. तो यहाँ पे हमने एक्स्ट्रा लिया तभी कितना हो रहा है, 5 हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे 6 हो रहा है, मतलब ये मेरा एक्स्ट्रा है. ठीक है. इन दैट वे यू कैन रिमूव दिस बिट. ओके. सो resultant sum after removing carry is 10101. The sign bit 1. So here sign bit 1 indicates that the resultant sum is negative. So by taking 2s complement of it, we will get the magnitude of the resultant sum is 1111 in decimal number system. Therefore, the two negative number will give the another negative number. So when we add these two negative number, it will give the another negative number, that is 11. Okay. So next is subtraction. Subtraction of two signed binary number. Okay. So how we subtract two binary number? Consider the two signed binary number A and B which is represented in 2s complement form. You know that 2s complement of positive number gives the negative number. So 2s complement का positive number क्या होता है, हमको negative number देता है. So whenever you have to subtract a number B from number A, then take 2s complement of B and add to it. So mathematically we can write it as A minus B, which is mathematically same as A plus 2b's complement. So इसका मतलब क्या होता है, A plus B का 2s complement. Okay, plus B's 2s complement means so this will give you A minus B. So A plus minus B equal to which is same as A plus minus B, which is same as A minus B. Okay, so it is mathematically true. So instead of doing what your minus operation, you perform the addition operation. So this is the benefit of using 2s complement. Okay. Suppose you have to subtract a number A from number B, then take 2s complement of A and add to it B. So mathematically you can write to as a B minus A is equal to B plus 2s complement of A. जिसको माइनस करना है उसका हम क्या करेंगे, 2s complement लेंगे. ओके. अगर A से B को माइनस कर रहे हैं टेक द 2s complement of B. अगर B से A को माइनस कर रहे हैं देन टेक द 2s complement of A. So the subtraction of two signed binary number is similar to the addition of two signed binary number. So यहाँ पे addition and subtraction दोनों same हो गया by using your 2s complement. But we have to take 2s complement of the number which is supposed to be subtracted. So this is the advantages of 2s complement technique. So this is the main advantages of 2s complement taking. That means आप जब भी minus operation perform करोगे then take the 2s complement of that particular value. So by applying only the addition you can get the result. So it follow the same rule of addition of two signed binary number. तो यहाँ पे हम subtraction कर रहे हैं लेकिन it follow the same rule for the addition. ठीक है. तो अलग से कंप्यूटर को माइनस के लिए अलग से, प्लस के लिए अलग से प्रोग्राम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक ही प्रोग्राम पे आपका एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन दोनों हो जाएगा बाय टेकिंग द 2s complement. ओके. So here I am taking an example. So suppose I am subtracting two number plus 7 and plus 4 using 2s complement. Okay, the subtraction of these two number is plus 7 minus plus 4. So this is same as your plus 7 plus minus 4. So this is same. तो यहाँ पे हमने swapping कर दिया, माइनस प्लस था इसको हमने प्लस माइनस कर दिया, ये सेम रिजल्ट देगा. तो इस केस में हेल्प क्या होगा, इसका आप क्या करेंगे, 2s complement लेंगे, फाइंड आउट करेंगे 4 का, देन विथ ऐड to that plus 7. Okay, the 2s complement representation of plus 7 and minus 4 with 5 bits is plus 7 का क्या है, this is the 2s complement of plus 7 and this is the 2s complement of minus 4. So how to get the 2s complement we already discussed in the last video. Okay, so no need to repeat it. Okay, so plus 7 minus plus minus 4, this will give you the result. This is my plus 7, this is plus minus 4. Okay, this will give you the result 1 1. Okay, that means it is the value is 3. That means when we subtract 7 minus 4, it will give you the 3. So देखो यहाँ पे same result आ रहा है. Here the carry obtained from sign bit, so you can remove it. So यहाँ पे carry bit में हमारा साइन बिट में कैरी आ रहा है, तो यू कैन रिमूव इट. आप इसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं. द रिजल्ट सम आफ्टर रिमूविंग द कैरी विल बी 0 0 0 1 1. सो यहाँ पे और एक 0 एक्स्ट्रा आएगा. ओके, क्यों देखो यहाँ इसको ऐड करने से 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, so when we add this to 1 1 1 1 is 0, so carry is 1. 1 1 is 0, so carry is 1. 1 1 0, carry is 1. So यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा 1 आ रहा है, तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे, रिमूव कर देंगे. So this will give you a positive number. So here 0 indicates it is a positive number. Okay, so let us perform the subtraction of plus 4 and plus 7 using 2s complement. Okay, plus 7 plus 4 and plus 7. So plus 4, this is my plus 4 minus plus 7. So this is same as your plus 4. ये माइनस के जगह प्लस आएगा, प्लस के जगह माइनस, माइनस 4 प्लस माइनस, ये इंटरचेंज हो गया है. तो आप क्या करेंगे, माइनस 7. सो इसका हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट. So 2s complement of minus 7 is 1 1 0 0 1. So now we add this two number. This is my plus 4, जो 2s complement का प्लस में वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है. दिस इज सेम एज इट इज. इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा, इसका हम 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 7 का वैल्यू को 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. देन आउटपुट विल बी दिस वन. ओके, सो हियर कैरी इज नॉट ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द साइन बिट. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे मेरा 5 बिट था, द रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो 5 बिट. दैट मीन्स हियर कैरी इज नॉट ऑब्टेन. Okay, so here sign bit 1 indicates that the resultant is negative. So here the sign bit indicate that the result हमने find out किया वो negative है, क्योंकि अगर हम 4 minus 7 करेंगे तो result is my minus 3. Okay, that means it represent the value of minus 3. तो इसको आप prove भी कर सकते हैं. You take the value of 3 in your 1s in your binary form. That means 3 का binary क्या होगा, so 0 0 1 1. अगर -3 करेंगे तो ये 1 सेम एट इज रहेगा, फर्स्ट वन, एंड दिस विल बी चेंज टू 0, दिस विल बी चेंज टू 1. सो 1 1 0 1. So we get the same result 1 1 0 1. Okay, so by taking 2s complement of it, we will get the magnitude of resultant sum is 3 in decimal number system. Therefore subtraction of two decimal number plus 4 plus minus plus 7 is minus 3. ठीक है, इसको सब्सट्रैक्शन करने से रिजल्ट आना है -3. सो हियर दिस रिप्रेजेंट इट इज ए पॉजिटिव नंबर. ओके, सो how this addition and subtraction are performed inside your computer system. So for that we have an unit, that is your arithmetic logic unit, which job is to perform arithmetic and logic operation. Okay, inside a computer there is an arithmetic logic unit ALU, which is capable of performing logical operation and or XOR, invert, etc. in addition to the arithmetic operation like your addition, subtraction. Okay, so this is the responsibility of the control unit to supplies the data required by the required by the system from memory or from input devices, and direct the ALU to perform the specific operation based on the instruction fetched by the memory. Okay, so ALU is the calculator portion of the computer. So basically ALU is known as the calculator portion. That means here all the calculation are performed inside your ALU. For that reason it is named as arithmetic logic unit. So what is the full form of ALU? ALU is the arithmetic logic unit. That means all the arithmetic operation and your logic operation are performed inside your ALU. So this is the representation of ALU. So here we take the two input, okay, A and B, which is known as the operand and the opcode, operation code. Operation code means here we whether it add two number plus minus or multiplication or division, what type of operation is performed, it is written inside your opcode. Okay, and this is the status, that means what is the result. Okay, so here A and B, after performing, suppose I am adding A plus B, then the result is stored inside your Y. Okay, so this is the result. So in this way your ALU operation is performed. Okay, it takes the operand value, opcode value, then after that it perform the operation and store a result inside a accumulator or register. Okay, so what is the function of ALU? So an arithmetic logic unit is a major component. So this is a major component of the central processing unit, that is your CPU of a computer system. It does all the processes related to arithmetic and logic operation that need to be done on instruction 1. The ALU divided into arithmetic unit AU and the logic unit ALU. Okay. So are carried out. ALU can be categorized into your different your what your logic operation like and, or, not, XOR. So these are all the logical operation. Bit shifting operation. So bit shifting means, suppose I have a value 1011. So suppose I am right shifting it, then the value is 1101. Okay, again I am right shifting, then the value is 1110. So this is called right shift or left shift. So bit shifting operation is done by the your ALU, and all the arithmetic operation, okay, this refers to bit addition and subtraction. All the arithmetic operation are done inside your ALU. So this is the function of ALU. That means all the logic operation and all the arithmetic operation including your bit shifting is done inside ALU. Okay. So this is the function of ALU. Thank you.